On guys, so we're gonna be starting the series on the OBS, building it back up. This is the original OBS that I started with, but it got teared down and it's missing a few things now, and the engine kind of failed on me. So we're gonna be bringing it back in this series. So you're gonna be seeing, this is gonna be episode 1, and then we're gonna have many more going until we finish the OBS. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the OBS actually looks like right now. You guys see the seats are gone, hella plastics are missing, my headliner is missing, the sunroofs are missing, dash is cracked. So what we're gonna do is rebuild this whole truck back up to the top where it was. You know, the wheels are gone, HD hood no longer there, front end. So the HD I ended up selling, sunroofs are sold. Front end that was on this truck went onto this truck. This truck is just about ready for paint. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and build it back up. I have the plastics that are missing. We're gonna go ahead and probably go out to the junkyard, just find the good plastics and repaint them to the color that it needs. And we're gonna go ahead and put on the seats again. We're just probably gonna go clean them. Carpet, I'm not sure we're gonna keep. We're probably gonna just try to clean it or have somebody come out and clean the carpet for us, because the carpet's really bad. It was super clean, but now it's pretty bad. And then go ahead and slap on the sunroofs. This is where the OBS stands at right now. There's a new bed on it. Old bed, I sold it to my brother. Well, I traded him, so I got a stock bed again with no wing. I think it'll be a fun little series to rebuild OBS. Have everybody comment down below exactly what you guys want to see on the OBS. We'll most likely LS swap it. That's something I really want to do to this truck, is probably LS swap it. I do have a cam for it already that I was gonna put in Snapchat, but I'm not sure if I am. Okay guys, right now we're gonna go ahead, take out the carpet, and we're gonna go ahead and go wash it ourselves, see how it comes out. And if it doesn't come out as I want it to, then we're gonna go ahead and buy a new carpet. We just got out the carpet. I aired everything out, so there's not trash in here, but there was a few leaves and like little stuff, so I just blew it all out, and now looks like this. The carpet's right here, guys. You guys can see there's a lot. It's pretty dirty like around right here. Oh, just everything really. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the car wash and wash it all off, and I have a drill with the brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush it all out and power wash it out. I would power wash it here, but I don't have a power washer. So we're gonna go ahead and do it at the car wash, the carpet and the seats.